In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the model of Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earbuds that you have, you will be able to follow these steps to perform a factory reset. This can help resolve various issues like pairing problems, connection drops, or sound inconsistencies. So the first method is going to be the normal, most common reset type. This isn't a full factory reset, but this one can help resolve temporary issues. All that you have to do is place both earbuds inside of the case. Close the lid after you have them inside and wait about 15 to 30 seconds. By leaving them inside of the case with the lid closed, you are essentially resetting them periodically. This allows the earbuds to disconnect and potentially reset the internal state. After you give it a couple of seconds, even up to a minute, open the charging case, take the earbuds out and reset them, so see if it works. See if they connect, pair up properly, and if the sound is working. Now, if this does not work or you aren't satisfied with these results, what you can do is perform a full factory reset. So some Razer Hammerhead True Wireless models have a specific touch control sequence for a factory reset. To do this, ensure that your earbuds are out of the charging case and powered on. Disconnect them from your Bluetooth device. So if you are using them on a smartphone, for example, I recommend going over to the settings for Bluetooth devices, choosing the earbuds, choosing the information icon, and then selecting the option to forget them. So make sure that you disconnect them from that specific device. Once you forget the earbuds from that device, you will have to perform a specific series of taps and holds on the touch-sensitive areas of both earbuds. So tap 3 to 4 times on these areas here for the earbuds, and then after this is done, press and hold. So you tap 3 to 4 times, and then you press and hold. A combination of taps and holds on both the left and right earbuds will resolve this. So you tap 3 times, and then you hold your finger here. After this is done, you can reconnect them to your device. You might see an LED indicator flash to indicate that the reset was performed, and you might hear a voice say factory reset. After the restart, connect them over Bluetooth and see if they work properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.